Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to set up a VNC server on an Amazon EC2 or Lightsail instance. Before we begin, let's talk about system setup. This video assumes you already have SSH access to your AWS server, along with sudo privileges for the client of interest as well as a port 590X open. This video covers the steps shown here. Feel free to pause and take extended look for later review. I'll show how to set up a VNC client, like Ramina, to access your newly installed GUI environment. First, we'll install the extra packages for Enterprise Linux, EPEL. Once that's done installing, we'll go ahead and install the tigervnc server. Go ahead and select Yes for installation. After that, we'll set up our VNC password. Make sure to type the same thing during the verification step, and we'll skip the view-only password. Next, we're going to install XFCE. This is the desktop environment of my choosing. Feel free to install another one, such as Mate. We'll copy the default tigervnc service file to the system daemon location shown here. Let's edit this file with a text editor. Here we use VI. The only thing we'll change in this file is the user keyword. In this case, we'll replace user with CentOS and add a default geometry of our liking. Because we've modified a service file, we need to restart the system daemon. Run the following commands to reload and start and enable tigervnc. After the service has been enabled, we'll modify the VNC startup file for the current user. Navigate to the VNC directory and create a new startup file. Replace the contents of the file with the lines shown here. Now we're ready to create a VNC client profile. I'm using Ramina, but you can use any VNC client of your choice. Make sure to select the VNC plugin as the protocol, fill out the server information. I blurred it for this video, but don't forget the colon and port number. Enable SSH and enter the desired user. In this case, it's CentOS as we defined earlier in the VNC system configuration file. Select the desired color and connection settings and connect. Enter the password set earlier and you're in. Thanks and stay tuned for future videos.